Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video we're gonna be doing something fascinating. Stay tuned. How are you, Pia? How are you, Pia? How are you? Sarah, how are you? Say hello to the peeps. Turn around. Say hello. Say hello to the people. Say hello to the people. Guys, Sarah is so loving. But that's not what this video is about. So let's get down to it. Let's start with Pia. Let's start with Pia. Look, hear me. Hear me. Aren't you fainting? Guys, he didn't even give me a reaction towards my toe. He didn't even smell it. Let's try Sarah. Oh, Sarah loves my tongue. Don't you smell something, Sarah? No, you don't smell nothing. She don't smell nothing, guys. My toes are fresh and clean. She loves it. She loves it. She loves my toes. Let's try back Pia. No reaction to my toes? You're not even smelling them? He's like, no, I ain't taking the chance in doing that. Yes, Tommy. Guys, look at Pia's cute little toes. They so cute. Look at them. Look at it. Look at these spots. They're so cute. Anywho, guys, I didn't know what video to do. Trust me, I'm like out of ideas. So please leave some ideas in the comment section so that I can do videos on them, because at this moment in time, you see how much days I haven't posted no video? It's because I have no idea in what to post. So please leave me some ideas. Give me some ideas, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. We see you. Ah, you're biting my toe, girl. See you next time, guys. Peace. Sarah. Peace.